So this is the question number 18 from 2023 midterm morning session paper, and this question comes under the topic file handling in Python. So this one is assertion and reasoning based. Now based on the combination of this one, we will pick the right answer. Now first is the assertion, then every file maintains a file pointer. This one is correct one, and it keeps track of its position after every operation. This is also correct one. Now let's see कि reason correct है या नहीं है. अगर correct है, whether it is the correct explanation of assertion or not. तो रीजन क्या है आपका? एवरी रीड एंड राइट ऑपरेशन टेक्स प्लेस एट द करेंट पोजीशन ऑफ द फाइल पॉइंटर. तो रीजन आपका ट्रू तो है, बट इट्स नॉट द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर द assertion. Hence for this one, option number B is the correct one. Now based on the similar concept, we have a practice question for you. You need to tell in the comment box whether this particular statement is true or false. Okay guys, then that's it for the day. If you have any doubt regarding this one, feel free to ask in the comment box. Okay then, thanks for your time.